Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning Surah Azalzalah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها. E, Hamza is very sharp. Focus, try, give E sound. The two counts long. Okay. So this is two counts long. إذا zul. This zal and this zal is very, very different. This zal, the makhraj of this zal is when you tip of your tongue is touching or your edge of your upper two teeth. So this is soft. The and this zul, it has safir in it. So there is buzzing sound in it. This starts, this za starts from this sound. Zul. And makhraj of za is when your tongue is pushing your lower teeth. So here the zal comes z, za. And when you close your teeth, there is a safir sound too. There is buzzing sound in za, but not in dal. So the sound of dal and za has a great difference. So listen carefully. I, the, zul, zul. And there's the on za. So you're circling your lips nicely and attach it. Lam, lam. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. And there's the wasat on lam. Zul, zi. Focus, give E sound. La, for fatha upon jaws. Til, for kasra, give E sound, attach it. Lam, lam will get sifa of the wasat. And the wasat is medium slow sound. Ar, Hamza is very sharp of fatha upon jaws. Attach it. Ra, ra will get sifa of the wasat. And ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Ar, do, for dhamma, circle your lips. And dot is heavy, so you're lifting your back of your tongue up towards your palate. Zil, again, there is safir in za. For kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Zil, za, za, two counts long. Again, za has a buzzing sound before we are starting this za to say. Can you feel that? Z. This sound should be there. Za, za, zil, za, la, la is short. Ha, two counts long. U, إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها. ومخرج of واو circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with kha. Kha will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. And kha is heavy, so you're lifting your tongue up to pronounce this letter. Ra, ra is heavy. Whenever ra has fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. And heavy ra sounds like ra, ra. It is not ra. It's not ra. It's ra. Raja, ja, il. For kasra, give E sound attached. Lam, lam will get sifa of the wasut. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached. Ra, ra will be heavy and it will get sifa of the wasut. Bu, for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is heavy and short. As, Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached. Sa, sa will get sifa of rakhawa. As, qaf is heavy. Make it two counts long. La, for fatha, the sound is short. For fatha, open your jaws and sound is short. Ha, two counts long. And ha should be from your throat nicely. وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها. ومخرج of واو circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. Qaf is heavy, make it two counts long. Lal for fatha open jaws, attach it. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. In Hamza is very sharp for kasra, give E sound, and there's ikhfa coming up. This ikhfa is light, so you are keeping your tongue straight when you are pronouncing this ikhfa. And sa is 2 counts long. Nu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. La for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ha 2 counts long. وقال الإنسان ما لها. Yeah is very soft for fatha open jaws attached. Wow. This is wow lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Ma for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. E for kasra, give E sound. The for kasra, give E sound first. The and then create ikhfa. And this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. The two for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Had the ha as hums. For fatha open jaws, ha should be from your throat and attach dal. Dal will get sifa of shidda. There is no flow of sound when you are attaching with dal. Had and then for kasra, give e sound. The sound is short. Had the two for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ah Hamza is very sharp of a top on jaws attached to kha. Kha will get sifa of rakhawa and it is heavy. Rakhawa means flow of sound. You will keep the sound flow. The sound will be flowing. It has flow in the sound. Akh, akh, ba, 2 counts long. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra has fatha, dhamma, it is heavy. Ra, it is not a ra. It's a raw. Ha 2 counts long. يومئذ تحدث أخبارها. B focus I give E sound. An Hamza is very sharp for fatha on jaws attached with nun you get sipa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. And then fatha is very short. Na Ra again, ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha, it is heavy. Attach it ba, ba will get sifa of shidda. There is no flow here of sound. Ra ba for fatha upon jaws, ka for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ra ba ka, ow. This is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws and then attach it. Wow. Ow, ha, 2 counts long. Ha should hums and it should be from your throat. Ha, la, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ha, 2 counts long. بأن ربك أوحى لها. Yow. This is vowel, so make it long, 2 counts long, and make it soft. Yow, ma, for fatha upon jaws. E, for kasra, give E sound. The. This is the gum with gunza, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. The. Yes. Keep ya light, but sod heavy. Yes. And sod will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is heavy and it is heavy. It has a safid too. It has safid, and safid means there should be a whistle sound in sod. Yes, do for the circle ellipse. It sound is short. Orun, or is heavy for the circle ellipse attached with nun will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Orun, na is 2 counts long. Su for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Ash. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rakhawa. And it has the first she and it is light. Ash, ta, 2 counts long. Tel, for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. This is idgham without khulna. So you are not keeping the sound in your nose at all. No keeping sound in your nose. Telli, for kasra give E sound. U, for the circle lips. Raw, this is wow lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Raw and raw will be heavy. Ah, Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached to the ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut and ain should be from your throat nicely. Ah, ma, two counts long. La, for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Hum, for the circular lips attached with mim gets sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is medium flow of sound. يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم. F, give hamsin. Fa for fatha open jaws. The sound is short with fatha. May, this is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. May, yeah. Yeah, keep ya soft for fatha open jaws attached with the ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. The tawassut is medium flow of sound, and ain should be from your throat nicely. Yeah. Mal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mith for kasra give e sound attached with tha. Tha will get sifa of rakhaba, and rakhaba is flow of sound. Mith Qaf is heavy. Make it two counts long. La for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Dhal, dhal. Makhraj of dhal is touching the tip of your tongue to the edge of your frontal two teeth. So it should be soft. Dhal, and ra will be heavy. And ra will get sifa of the wasat first. Dhal ra for fatha open jaws. The ra is heavy. Teen for kasra give e sound, and there is the wasat, sifa is the wasat, and ruling it is ha. Teen khoy. This is yailin, so make it soft and make it two counts long. Kha will be heavy, so lift your tongue up to pronounce this kha. Sorry. Khoi, roi. This is it gone with gunna. So keep the sound, for a longer time. Roi, yeah. Yeah, it's soft for fatha open jaws. Ra. For fatha open jaws, ra is heavy. And ha will get sifa of rakhawa because it is with sukoon now because of the fa. Ra. فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره. ومخرج فوق circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws. May idgham bit guna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. يعمل مثقال ذرة. Here you are giving ikhfa. This ikhfa is light because sheen is among light letter. Sheen, sorry. Tin, ذرة شرا. Sheen is attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and then it has this has idgham with gunna. Roi. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time because this idgham is with gunna. Roi. Yes, soft. Your middle part of your tongue is lifting up towards your palate, but it is not touching the palate. That is making it soft. Yeah, ra. Ra is heavy whenever ra is fatha. It sounds like a raw. It's not a ra. It's a raw. Yeah, raw. And because of this waqf, you're giving sukoon here on ha. So it will be with rakhawana. Ra. The sound should flow of ha. Ra. ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها وقال الإنسان ما لها يومئذ تحدث أخبارها بأن ربك أوحى لها يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته